Hey everybody, welcome back to the wood shop.
Today we have another simple and beautiful project for you. We're going to be making a pair of wall sconces.
For this project we're going to be using some roasted or thermally modified poplar. It has a real rich dark color, looks a lot like walnut.
It's a little less expensive than walnut and it gives you that real luxury look. If you want to see another project that we've made with this, it's been a while back. We made a wooden lantern, so we'll leave that description down below.
Let's head on over to the miter saw and get started.
All right, here we are at the miter saw. The first thing we're going to do is cut a length off of this board. We don't need all of it, so we'll cut it to 36 inches and then move over to the planer.
Now that we have our board planed to 3/4 of an inch, I'm going to use the table saw to clean up one side and then rip this to 4.5 inches wide.
All right, we're back over here at the miter saw, ready to cut the lengths of each of our boards. We're going to have 4 boards, 2 sconces. We need 2 pieces that are 12 inches and 2 that are 5.
Okay, now we're going to attach the shelf to the back of our sconce with a dado joint. So I'm going to have to take these and run them across the blade probably 6 or 7 times to get a 3/4 inch wide dado in this, and we're going to go about 3/8 of an inch deep.
All right, I got a little excited earlier when I said we're going to cut these dog ears and put it together. There's one more thing that we need to do, and normally I dread this chore. Do you? Let us know in the comments if you just hate sanding. I don't hate it, but you know, sometimes it takes a really long time. This wood, that is not the case. It's very dry, and I'm just going to use 220 on it. The planer did a lot of work for us, so I'm going to hit this very gently with the sander. And then we will move on to putting our sconces together.
Now we're going to put sawtooth hangers on the back of these to hang them with, and I figure now would probably be the best time to do that before we put it together.
All right, the next step is to glue these shelves onto the back of the sconce and clamp them down, and then we'll give them some time to dry.
And now we have some nice wall sconces made out of roasted poplar.
As you can see, these did get very dark. We used a natural finish. This is not because it was tinted or anything like that. It naturally gets this dark. Kind of reminds me of a chocolate bar. They're so pretty. We brought out some candles just to kind of give you an idea of how large these are. These are 3-inch candles, so you can kind of get an idea of how big these are. We'll put them up here by our flag, and that will give you a better idea of the dimension as well. These are 12 inches tall and 4.5 inches wide. We think these turned out great. They're a pretty simple design.
And of course you can make pretty much any design you would want. You can do different profiles around this or whatever you'd like.
If you'd like to see another video where we do a more advanced version of these sconces, please leave us a comment below.
If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on all of our new content. You can also visit us on Facebook at Wood Songs by Russell and at woodsongsbyrussell.com.
Thanks again for joining us today. Happy woodworking!